Alright, so this is my homie Reyes' Type R. Woohoo! This thing is sick, dude. Boys all parked up. Super sick, dude. just doing a quick update video on the Z. So I finally installed the front bumper. I was literally just waiting on the undershroud. I don't know if you guys can see this little black piece, but I was literally just waiting for that piece from Japan. It took like 2 weeks to get here. I know I said it in another video. That piece is literally like the most expensive piece outside of like the bumper, of course, but like that piece is $800 here in the States. So I decided I was able to source one in Japan and just have it shipped out here. I literally found it for, I think it was like 160 bucks. Z1, all the companies and stuff that cater to like the Z chassis and just the VQ chassis in general, dude, they overcharge for sure they overcharge. But it looks really good. I'm gonna try to source a carbon fiber wing. I want to add a little bit of carbon fiber to the car, but outside of that, it looks pretty good. The install wasn't too hard. I literally, like, it's literally like bolt on. I did do the Z1 undershroud, so like it has like the metal undershroud or whatever. The most difficult thing about that is just riv nutting, but it wasn't too bad, but relatively easy. Everything is just bolt on, riv nut. I wouldn't, if I were you, I would go on Amazon. If you are deciding to do this, you might need a little bit more hardware. Z1 charges like 30 bucks, 40 bucks for all the hardware. Just go on Amazon. I think I probably spent like 10 bucks for the hardware for the front bumper. So definitely a good look if this is something you want to do. This is the OEM bumper that I ordered from Z1. Like, I ordered the front bumper, ordered the emblem, I ordered the metal underplate, all from Z1, and that stuff, like, I really couldn't. I'm pretty sure I could have found it in Japan if I looked hard enough, but I couldn't see myself paying 800 bucks just for the plastic front piece. Now, if you do run this bumper, you absolutely need that piece because your bumper will fold. Like, it'll be bad. It's a bad day. I wouldn't recommend running this bumper without that the plastic undershroud or lip. I would not run this bumper without it because you will destroy your bumper, especially if your car is lowered, or if you just live in California, it's gonna get destroyed. So all in all, the car looks good for the most part. I want to fix the fitment here. I don't know, maybe it's just like the gasket that's holding it down, like the weather stripping. But yeah, I don't know how much I'll be able to do to this car. I am planning on moving back to Japan relatively soon, so I might have to just put her in storage, and you know, while I'm in Japan, accumulate parts and stuff like that for this car. I absolutely love this thing. Like, if somebody offered me a good price, I'd probably sell it, but I can't see myself selling this thing. Don't have that much time left here, maybe like a few months, so like engine mods and stuff like that, maybe, we'll see. But yeah, I think everything I'm gonna do, I mean, I might just add, I bought some carbon fiber mirror caps from Sabon, and then I'm gonna order a carbon fiber wing, and then that's pretty much it. That's pretty much all I have for this car. And maybe like eventually when I come back to California, like I mentioned, all the parts that I need to accumulate for this car, maybe we can do like a 370Z refresh. I can see this as being as my forever car. This is like one of my dream cars. I absolutely love this thing. This thing is absolutely awesome. Reliability for this car is so good. Mods are expensive, but reliability, like if you just leave it stock, you don't touch it, you don't bother it, man, this thing is so awesome. I absolutely love this thing. But this is the end of the video for the update of the 370Z new bumper install. I hope you guys like it. If you guys want to see anything in regards to this car, whether it's like tollgate driving, California tollgate driving, or whatever, just hit me up, let me know. Yeah, I hope you guys have a wonderful week. Stay safe, stay blessed. Peace out.